Welcome to FPS for Less, the channel where we get more frames for less. Today, I'm going to show you 5 things to turn off in Windows that'll boost your performance and make your budget gaming PC run smoother. And we're doing it all with no download. I want to give credit to Mike's Unboxing. I found his video with all of these awesome ideas, and I just had to share them. Tip number 1, Windows Update Delivery Optimization. Little settings. Move this on over here for you guys. Type in a Windows Update setting. All right, and from here we go into Advanced Options, Delivery Optimization. This is what you want to turn off. Windows likes to send your internet bandwidth to other PCs on the internet. Let's stop that. We are not a Microsoft server, so let's save our bandwidth. Let's just turn this off. Boom, done. Tip number 2. We are gonna uninstall Windows CoPilot. I'm gonna go to Add Remove Programs, and then down here we wanna go and find CoPilot. And here it is. And we are going to uninstall this. Windows CoPilot isn't helping your games, it's just hanging out in the background using RAM and CPU cycles. This is one less thing running when you launch a game. Uninstall. Tip number 3, turn off Windows search indexing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here, type in services, fire this up, find a Windows search, double click on it, disable, apply, okay. Tip number 4, disable remote desktop services. Unless you're remote controlling your PC from somewhere else, you're probably not. We're in services still, so now we're gonna go to remote desktop services. Boom. All right, here we are, remote desktop services. Go into here, and we are disabling this. Apply. Tip number 5, disable Sysmain, aka Superfetch. Sysmain, previously called Superfetch, tries to preload apps into RAM, but for gaming PCs, it can cause stutter and background usage. We're gonna find Sysmain, click on it. We're gonna stop this, and we're gonna disable, apply. All right, now that we got those disabled, that should help our performance a little bit. And keep in mind, if you have a decent computer, this isn't gonna do much. For your budget computers, quite helpful. Try these tweaks and let me know if your system feels faster or smoother in game. This is especially helpful on lower end or older PCs, and none of these break anything. Comment below if you have more Windows tweaks I should cover, and hit subscribe for more performance tips, budget builds, and PC hacks right here on FPS for Less.